Hello and welcome to southwest France. It is a beautiful day. It's 2 days before Christmas and we are blessed with beautiful sunshine, and we have hundreds of jobs to do outside. However, we are just starting an electrical project in the attic. The attic behind me we are converting into our apartment, and we are fitting the electrics. We've already started fitting the water and it's now the turn of the electrics. So I shall take you in there. So here we are up in the attic. This is what we're going to be converting. And I've started putting the fuse box in the corner. We're going to trail the electrics right round the side of the barn. And this will be our bedroom. Where I'm standing will be our living room. Just past there will be a dining area, and then the kitchen right in the corner, and in the far corner the bathroom, shower room, walk-in wet room. So they're the plans, and so we're just starting with the electrics now. Over in this far corner here is going to be our bathroom, and we started plumbing it in last week. We've brought the water up and we've carried it through the hot water with the red taps at the top, and the blue water, the cold water with the blue taps at the bottom. We're going to bring some pipes over here for the water tank. The hot water tank will go here, and we're trying to get one which we can convert from electric to solar, because we can then put the ceiling is, or the roof is just up there. We can put solar panels on and bring some cables in, and hopefully we can part-time have a solar heated water in the summer, spring and autumn, and then just use the electrics for the winter. So this is going to be the bathroom. In that far corner will be a bath. We're looking for a large roll-top bath that we can renovate, and here we'll have a walk-in shower, and this beam in front will be will mark where there is going to be a low wall between the bathroom and the kitchen. It won't go right up to the ceiling, but just to give it a little bit of privacy, even though it'll only be us. And the wall will continue through to the second beam there, and then here, let's turn around. This is going to be our kitchen, in the whole of this area here. So it'll be a nice large kitchen with all the, we decided. So the kitchen will be in the whole of this quarter of the attic. We haven't decided on the layout yet, but we'll figure that out. At the moment it's all of our rubbish still that we haven't allocated where it's going to go, and this area here will be a dining room, but it all will be open plan. So they're the plans that we've got so far. So all the connection boxes are now in place, and these will eventually be down here at the bottom of them, will eventually be our sockets. And I'm just going around now. I'm connecting them all together. We have 5 different circuits, because we've got 24 or 25 sockets going in, and I can only put a maximum of 3 sockets on each spur from the main fuse box. So the reason that we have lengths of timber holding these sockets up is just a temporary measure. We will be putting low level walls in this bit here, and over there where you can see the light next to that, that's going to be the bathroom and the kitchen, and so we want a wall between the two of them. Over here in France, they have these nifty little connection boxes. You just, I've got a little bit of cable here to show you. You just put the end in the right way around. Put the end in like that, and then you just flick that little connector down, and that's it. And it's really, really easy. I'm used to electrics. I'm used to these old-fashioned, or the old style ones. I'm sure they've got them in the UK, but it's been about 3 years. It's been about 3 years since I've done any electrics. But they're really, really nifty, and they're really, really quick. So there we go. That's one connection done. Only another 22 sockets to go. And look at the weather. It's a beautiful sunny day out there, and I'm stuck up in the attic doing the electrics. So that's the sockets finished. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.